Hi everyone. Now let's look at this question. 62 times 7 again is 2-digit number multiplied by a single digit. Alright, so let's go with the first method, which is to break up 62 into its tens and ones. Okay, so 62, okay, the ones is a 2. Okay, so this is a 2, and the tens digit is 6, so it is 60. Okay, so 60 plus 2 gives us 62. Alright, so we can write that over here as 60 plus 2 and the whole thing multiplied by 7. Alright, then the next step is to multiply the single digit with the ones and the tens separately. Okay, so we have 2 times 7 and 60 times 7. Okay, and then you add them up after that. So 60 times 7. Okay, so again what we need to do, since it is a multiple of 10, we just multiply the single digit with the tens value over here. So 7 times 6. 7 times 6 will be 42. Alright, and since it's 60, so there is a 0, so we add the 0 over here, plus 2 times 7, which is 14. So 420 plus 14 will give us 434. Alright, so that is the final answer here, using this approach of splitting the 2-digit number into tens and ones. Alright, so in my next video I'll show you the other approach. Okay, so thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.